New Wi-Fi, Chromecast not connecting? Don't reset it just yet. Here is how to quickly switch your Chromecast to new Wi-Fi network without the headache. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are showing you how to change the Wi-Fi network on your Chromecast step by step, whether you have moved, upgraded your router, or just need a new connection. Method 1. Change Wi-Fi network on Chromecast. If you have changed your Wi-Fi network or moved to a different location, you will need to reconnect your Chromecast or Google TV device to the new network. Here is how to do it directly through your TV. Make sure your TV is powered on and the input source is set to the HDMI port where the Chromecast with Google TV or Google TV streamer is connected. Allow the Google TV home screen to load fully. Navigate to the top right corner of the home screen using your remote. Select the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select network and internet. Or you can navigate to settings from home menu. Right beneath settings, you should find Wi-Fi option. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks and the one currently connected. Find the currently connected Wi-Fi network. Select it and then choose Forget Network. This will disconnect your device from the current network and clear the saved password. After forgetting the network, you will return to the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select the new Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted and confirm. Once the device connects successfully, it may check for updates. You will be brought back to the Google TV home screen. Your Chromecast with Google TV or Google TV streamer should now be connected to the new Wi-Fi network. If your device connects or the new network does not appear, restart both your router and Chromecast on Google TV. If the Google TV interface isn't accessible, you might need to factory reset the device and set it up from scratch. Method 2. Check for interference. If you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, ensure that the Chromecast is not obstructed by any objects. Also, avoid placing the Chromecast behind the TV or near any other electronic devices that may cause interference. You can use the HDMI extender that comes with some Chromecast models to move the device a bit further away from the TV or other electronic devices. Make sure you keep the Chromecast away from any electric or wireless devices. If possible, position your Wi-Fi router closer to the Chromecast for a good signal strength. Method 3. Use an Ethernet adapter. The next thing you can do is connect your Chromecast to your router using an Ethernet adapter. Using an Ethernet adapter can provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi, especially in areas with weak or unstable wireless signals. Method 4. Check your power source. Make sure your Chromecast is plugged directly into a power source using the power cable and adapter that came with it. Also, make sure the power source is not faulty. You can connect the device to another power source and check. Method 5. Check your TV or monitor. Make sure your TV or monitor is set to the HDMI input that your Chromecast is plugged into. If you have multiple HDMI ports on your TV or monitor, you can plug the Chromecast into a different HDMI port and then check if it is working. And that's it. Your Chromecast should now be connected to the Wi-Fi and ready to stream. If this guide helped, tap that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Still having issues or setting up a new device? Drop your question in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will see you in the next one.